good morning, good afternoon, good evening to all. Welcome back to myself Academy Excel Series 3.0. In today's video, we are about to learn how to work with filter function in our video number 7. A default filter function will allow us to handle only one situation at a time. But yesterday, when I watched out a video from one of our Microsoft MVP, she mentioned how we can handle two conditions in the same filter function using an AND and OR functionality. In this scenario, I'm going to repeat that particular video also in the subsequent two videos here. I thank Lily for doing that video, and it's a wonderful video. Thumbs up. And then I just got to know how to use it even better, because this is the question that was revolving in my brain for a long time, and now I don't have that. So let's see how to do this. So I have a data like this in my system, and what I want right now is I would like to extract a specific customer's sales alone in another sheet, and I want to make that dynamic. So what did I do is I used a unique formula here. If you want to know more about this, anyway, I'll be adding this in our iCard on top, where we will go to Excel User Series 3.0 video number 3 will give you an idea how to create a unique list. In our current video, we are not going to use that, so I just don't go to that particular part here. I'm going to use a filter function. So I'm going to go for equals filter function here. The array that I'm about to take right now is I'll go back to the sheet here and take the whole data set here. This is the data that I'm going to take. Then I give a comma, and then when I come back to my conditions here, I'm going to take all my customer list here. So in the customer list, I would like to know exactly where I get the condition called hello world here. So now I just move the entire list. When I close the bracket and give an enter, that's going to populate the whole list here. Again, I have already formatted this data here, so you can see that the dates are coming properly here. When you are normally extracting a filter, probably you might not able to see the date function comes a proper output as a date, and the valuations may not be in a proper data set here. So I just set the sheet format in that way. That allows me to get it done. Now I can add a data validation to my list here. Again, I'll add even a data validation in our link description below, so you can see that how to add data validation and how to learn data validation better. So I'm going to go back to our hello world here, and I'm going to use a keyboard shortcut Alt DL to get the pop-up of the data list here, and then I'll go for the list and select the source of data here. And then when I give an OK, then I get a drop down list here. So now I got the hello world. When I move this off, then you can see all my other details will also come from me here. So I'll get each and every customer dynamically in a filter function here. This is how we build a filter function in Excel. And our next video will talk about what Elias explained yesterday in our YouTube channel. I'm about to just do that again on behalf of Lily, and I thank Lily for doing that. Hope you guys have learned this trick now. This will be a very handy tool. This is not there in our previous version. If you're using Office 365, you can get this formula done. Probably in Office 2021 also I saw this formula. If you're using Office 2021, you can see that. So now I'm using Office 365 Enterprises Edition to do that. To learn more about filters, follow the next two videos. You will get to learn more about it. Thank you so much. Cheers.